Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Walmart has been releasing even more clothing as part of their new free assembly label. This is the fourth video I've done previewing this collection, and honestly, it just keeps getting better and better. So the first piece I have to show you is this black midi dress here. This has an absolutely beautiful fit. It does have that squared off neckline, which is a huge trend this season. And then it does have the vertical ribbing that goes down the length of the skirt, which is ruffled at the end. This dress has such a sweet kick and flair to it. And then it does not have adjustable straps in the back, so just keep that in mind. But it does fit beautifully and it is true to size. Now, somehow this snuck into my cart because if you guys are new to my channel, I'm in the process of flipping synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers, and I love cotton and linen clothing, so that's my focus. This is actually a recycled polyester. It does have a touch of rayon and spandex in it, so if you're not as maniacal as me about just wanting to focus solely on eco-friendly fibers, highly recommend you check this out because it fits like a dream and it is so much fun to dress up or keep casual. So everything else I show you in today's video is going to be comprised of either 100% cotton or 100% organic cotton. So the next dress I have for you is this striped little number here. Now we saw something similar in the last video that was a little bit longer. This is, as I said, a mini length. It does have functional buttons, about 3 of them running down the bodice, this cute little tie at the waist, and then the cotton itself, you guys, is so substantial. It does not feel cheap or flimsy whatsoever. It is absolutely beautiful, super breezy on, and again, just one of those lovely styles that you can totally dress up or keep more low-key, just depending on the occasion and your mood. Okay, so this next top was right up my alley. I could not wait to get my hands on it, and it is this little peplum top here. I've talked so much about the fact that I love a white cotton top in the warmer months. The squared off neckline is so flattering. It again does have an elasticized sleeve, which isn't my favorite, but this has such kick and swing to it. It also is lined with a cotton lining, which I love. And then it does have some smocking in the back. You guys, this top was so much fun to style because you can wear it so many different ways, which I'll show you in a minute. The first way I styled them was with this pair of high-rise skinny jeans. Now I talked about these in my last free assembly video, but oh my gosh, the more I play around with these, the more I am falling in love. This is an 11-inch high-rise. It is like the high-rise of my dreams. There's no distressing or anything on this beautiful saturated blue rinse. It does have a proper cuff at the end of the skinny leg, and it also has back pockets, which, as I mentioned before, this is called their magic back triangle. So basically what that means is that the designer was very thoughtful in the placement of the pockets in terms of the angle of them as well. So what it does is it creates this like really flattering, gorgeous effect in the rear, and I would absolutely agree with that. These are amazing on. So the other way I wanted to style that top was with a pair of wide leg pants. Now I featured the white version of these in the last video. Wanted to get the black as well because I think that these are really versatile and fun. Plus, these are also organic cotton, and it is a beautiful, beautiful pant. They do have functional front pockets. You do have that elasticized waistband with a drawstring, so it's going to allow you to get the perfect fit, again with that wide leg. And it does have this nice little thicker hem at the bottom of the cuff, just to give it like a beautifully tailored look. And there are no back pockets, which I've said before, I'm a huge fan of, because then there's nothing that can like bunch up back here, create an unflattering look. So again, like that top was just super fun to play around with, and I was so happy to see the different looks I could get out of it. So speaking of white tops, I had to snag another one. This is a cotton cami, and again, like how fun is something like this, whether you're wearing it on its own or you're layering it in the chillier months just to get more wear out of it. Beautiful feel. Again, this cotton is so substantial. It is absolutely beautiful. And once more, I'm a fan of that thicker hem at the bottom of the garment because it just gives it like such an elevated look. This is another piece that does have smocking in the back, which we've said is always going to be your best friend because it's going to give you the perfect fit no matter what you have going on up top. And then it does have the adjustable spaghetti straps. This top is just so much fun to style. You can get so many different looks out of it. So not only did I try it with those high-rise skinnies, I also wanted to go for like a white on white look because I think that's really fun and fresh for the warmer months. So I tried them with this wide leg pant. This is the exact same version of the black pair we just saw, obviously just in a lighter color. Talked about these in my last video, but definitely worth revisiting. Again, with that elasticized waistband, which I forgot to mention, this pair as well as the black pair is a 13-inch high rise. So if you love high rise pants as much as I do, definitely check these out. Again, functional front pockets, the elasticized waistband. It does have the wider leg with that beautiful thicker cuff, and then much like the black pair, no back pockets. Okay guys, and the last piece for this preview is this peasant midi dress here. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so lightweight and airy. Love the little scoop neck. It does have an elasticized sleeve, and this beautiful flowy skirt is lined with a 100% cotton lining. The dress itself is 100% cotton. It just has this beautiful tiered design on the skirt that gives it such kick, such flair, and then there's nothing crazy going on in the back. This feels so beautiful on, and it's another great option for layering, especially if you want to throw it under like a denim jacket on a cooler summer day. Okay, you guys, so that is it for the latest and greatest from Free Assembly. And I have to know in the comments down below, if you've purchased clothing that's part of this line, let me know what you think, because I have to tell you, the reason I keep doing these videos is because I want to get my hands on as much of this collection as possible because it is so good. I cannot believe I can get 100% cotton clothing and 100% organic cotton clothing at Walmart for these prices, and the quality is outstanding. I will have everything listed and linked for you down below, but in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!